Hello guys and welcome to a new video sponsored by Raingg. Today on our balance is 3000 coins, so we're gonna spend this money today on something crazy on Raingg. Guys, we're gonna do all-in challenge and we're gonna see how much money can we make out of that all-in challenge on Raingg. Guys, if you never use Raingg, you can register through that link down in the description, or you can redeem code VDN like you can see above my head. Only 3 letters, simple. Just click on this deposit and type VDN. Simple, 3 letters, put 7 days, apply, and you can choose deposit options, guys. You will get 5% deposit bonus like you can see, and also you will get 3 free cases to test your luck on Raingg. Guys, put code VDN, put 7 days, go apply. You will get absolutely every bonus on site. You will get rewards, you will get this. Look at how much money I collected in rewards, daily, weekly, monthly cases, guys. Also rewards, everything under code VDN. After first deposit you will get 5% deposit bonus, guys, and 3 free cases to test your luck on Raingg. Guys, that's pretty much it. We're gonna try to make some money today, try to take some good skins home with us. So wish us good luck and enjoy till the end of this video. Guys, I was thinking to do 3 guys, sharing mode, and to try that famous popcorn case, guys. We have 3% to win something good here, so let's add 30. Maybe we can add 31. Yes, no. Okay, 30. 3 players, guys, sharing mode. Wish us good luck on this all-in. Please, let's win some money. Come on, we need 9,000 coins just to be break even. So, oh my god, first! Imagine on first, that would be such a good start. Rain on first, come on. Come on. You can do it, come on. Guys, one more time. Use code VDN on site, get 3 free cases and 5% deposit bonus. Only 3 letters, VDN. It's teasing us again. It's teasing us again. Oh my god, 7k. We need every 10 cases one. Come on, where is that rain sign? Come on, we wanna see gold. Come on, make it rain, make it rain, make it rain, make it rain, make it rain. Come on. Oh my god, I'm thinking now it wasn't the smartest move. Oh my god, 10k, 0 money. Oh my god, we keep getting pennies, come on. Guys, this all-in maybe bankrupt us. Now we need double rain. Now we need double rain spin. Come on. Come on. Let's start with first one. Where is it? Hello. Rain. It's killing us. It's killing us. Definitely it's killing us. Guys, this is officially GG. This is officially GG, boys. Maybe. We need 3 more. Okay. 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 Maybe. 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 Guys, 3 in a row. 3 in a row. Is this comeback? Is this biggest comeback ever? Guys, is this biggest comeback ever? 4 of 4. Come on. I imagine too good to be true. Okay. Oof. Guys, I was so scared. I was so scared. Okay, we have 5 cases to profit. 5 cases to profit. Come on, hit. Oh my god, there. Hit one more. Hit one more. Hit one more. Last 2. Come on, you can do it. Rain, you can do it. Come on, give me profit. Okay, last case in a dream. Big heart for Rain. Come on. Code VDN on Rain. Come on. Okay, okay, okay. Oh my god, we profited 40, not 40. We profited 60 coins. Oof, that was risky move. But guys, what you can do? Butterfly slaughter is ours. That's it. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this all-in challenge. It was risky. It was up and down. We were scared at the beginning, but we somehow come back. Guys, one more time, you want to get absolutely best rewards, best bonuses, and 3 free cases and 5% deposit bonus. Everything on code VDN, guys. Type code VDN, simple 3 letters, put 7 days and go deposit to claim it all, guys. That's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed and we're gonna see you in the next video. Love you all, boys. Ciao.